name is Jeremie Baker with Enviroscent. I'm the director of IT and operations. Enviroscent is a manufacturer of home fragrance products, and we have 3 different brands that we sell on our website. For the last couple months, we've had an initiative to drive our site and separate our brands into microsites. Prior to that, we had one site where we were asking the user to shop throughout the site and see all brands and navigate to find which brand they were looking for. And so with Tavano, over the last couple months, we were able to find a solution to where we could actually split those out into a microsite solution. The highlight of working with Tavano, I would say, is just the responsiveness and the willing to jump in and find a solution or provide a solution that we did not think of that actually would work better and they could code faster. Additionally, one thing I liked about Tavano is their willingness to help us understand the application and the product and what's going on so that we can learn as well in that relationship. One of the things that we were able to develop with Tavano is our subscription business, where we have a subscribe and save option similar to you see through other companies, but we were the first solution built on NetSuite that is actually providing a subscription service where a material or a product has to be picked and shipped through a warehouse on a monthly basis. So, in the fragrance world, things die out. Fragrances are now gone out of a product, so that needs to be replenished. And so we found a good solution with Tavano and built out a nice module where we're able to replenish our customer stock and ship that to them on a monthly basis and provide a nice program for them. Would I recommend Tavano? The answer is yes, and I have honestly recommended Tavano to multiple people who come to me from NetSuite for a recommendation and or recommendations on SuiteCommerce Advanced through NetSuite. And I always bring up Tavano in those conversations. And like I said earlier, the reasons for that is the collaboration that I get from Tavano, the speed in which they work to help us find a solution and get a site up and running, their expertise and their knowledge. They have folks on staff that understand all of the Google Tag Manager issues that are out there and how to tackle those. They have staff on hand who understand the back end of NetSuite really well and can help you understand how your front end site works with the back end and how to make that all tie in really nicely. They have great graphic design people on staff to help you with an image if it doesn't quite working well, make it responsive or cut it to where you can create a nice responsive design on your site. So yes, the answer is I would recommend Tavano, and I do recommend Tavano on many conversations I have.